Kalian mau telepon Flap TZ nggak guys? Bang, call bang. Kita semangatin dia ya. Bang, call bang. 1 minute. Kita semangatin Flap TZ guys. Pre! Good luck bang! I'm live stream bang. You can beat Carl or no? You can beat him or no? Hah? You can? Serius? Oke. Okay. Bang, if you win, I will treat you bang in Indo. Oke? Okay? Next time, I will treat you like last time. Say hi bang to my viewer. Say hi. Hello. Oke okay, bang, good luck pre. Gago. Kita kasih dia semangat guys, abang behel. Gue deket guys sama dia. Walaupun gue deket sama dia tapi tubihan saja. TLPH kuat. Gue kira bercanda, kenapa bercanda? Gue biasa sering telepon-teleponan sama dia guys. Kocak cok orangnya.